everybody, it is me Sasha and welcome back to my channel. I accidentally forgot to record a proper intro. I'm so sorry about that. This video is a mini vlog about how we with my mom tried rug embroidering for the first time. It was a really interesting way to celebrate Women's Day. This video was uploaded so much later but would share my experience anyway. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we have an adorable bottoms below this video. Subscribe and thumbs up. And I will so appreciate your feedback in comments. Enjoy watching.
Hello everybody, this is me Sasha, welcome back to my channel. It's a vlog and right now we are getting ready. I will explain you everything later because we are already leading. So yeah, I'm getting ready. Right now we are going to the masterclass with my mom, and actually I think it's gonna be really cool because we are gonna work together. We are gonna have like a mutual work, and these small rocks will stay with us. So I'm really happy right now and jovial. Anyways, let's just start because my mom is actually calling me and she will beat me right now. Guys, I just returned and I would like to make a small review. I do not know how do I look right now because I just had a lunch and I didn't watch it on the mirror. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I look so messy, but anyways, I'm so excited. That was amazing. I'm absolutely delighted. Oh my gosh, like you know, we were making a rugs. I was really speculating what we were going to do, and I actually was searching on the Pinterest for designs, but the host of the masterclass made for us the drafts in advance, so we were obliged to just obey and make these rugs, really small rugs. It was like a keychain. It's an ornament, a Kazakh traditional ornament in the shape of heart, and it's dedicated to the Kazakh heritage, stuff like that. Anyways, and we were allowed to choose two actually colors that we wanted to do, but I chose one because I wanted to do a colorful, like, you know, everybody were doing just basic colors like red or purple or white and stuff, but I did rainbow, like always. Like, there is something wrong with me probably. And so we had a special tools, like the host actually was living in Korea in the past, and you know, during her story she found out this hobby while she was feeling really lethargic, and she needed to find a coping mechanism to rejuvenate herself, to reduce the stress in her life. And actually it's a really good hobby. I would like to keep it up, and I already asked my mom, like, am I allowed to order like a set to do the same rugs? And she said, of course, yes. Like, have I ever rejected you? Have I ever said to you no? I said no. And actually, if she would say no, I would do that anyway. And yeah, we were doing that with mom, with colleges and my friends, and we were talking a lot. It was really, really interesting. I do not know, do I need to explain you the process? But we have a special pen like that. Okay, like we have a special pen with a hook, and we are taking a needle, putting it into this special pen, and on a canvas with a textile that attached there, we are drawing first of all our rug, and after that we are just, you know, kind of pinning there, and that's it. And it's really easy mechanism, and it actually really cute. We left it our all of our works there because the host will clay the side there, and it needs to be dried up for several days or several hours, and then we will receive our keychains. And actually, while everybody like were giving their things, I made the second one. It was just a letter A. Yeah, I do not know how to like explain that. The venue of our masterclass was actually an art lab. It was like an art community in our town. It actually was located in the abandoned, kind of abandoned, abandoned house. It was in the old part of our town, so it was a little bit scary to go there because it seemed to me like, oh, we are going to the basement to murder, to kill us, and he will be convicted with a death penalty after. But no, I took a lot of photos there. That was amazing. And I am really advising, proposing you to keep it up, to try that, because it's actually really amazing. And I will keep it up that too, and maybe even make a video how I'm making my own rocks. Yeah, and that's all. It was a really lovely experience, a really lovely vlog, and I am really upbeat right now. I would like to just jump. I would like to remind you that we have adorable buttons below this video, subscribe and thumbs up, and I also appreciate your feedback in the comments below. And I also have a social media there. I already uploaded all of the photos. So yeah, that's it. And probably right now will be a part that I already received my chain, and that's gonna be the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Guys, we just got our rocks. Can you see them? Oh my gosh, this is mine. Also, I made this one. And this is my mom's work. That's so cool. I don't have enough time right now to like put a camera on a like convenient place and kind of record it aesthetic, because right now I will have my studies. So yeah, I'm really hurrying up right now, but I'm probably going to how can I say that, hang it on my back probably. Yeah, and I will record it and probably show you this. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so delighted I tried that, as I mentioned before. And that's actually the end of the video. I'm really proposing you to try something new, and probably I will try it myself in the next video. So, oh my gosh, be ready for the new video. That's actually all. Have a good night or morning. Bye.